In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Milanote for writing. Whether you're planning blog posts, scripting videos, or building a content hub, I'll walk you through a simple, repeatable workflow that keeps ideas moving smoothly from spark to publish. Start by opening Milanote and creating a new board. Give it a clear, purposeful name like blog writing, YouTube scripts, or content hub. This board becomes your dedicated writing workspace, a canvas where you can see everything at a glance and avoid scattering notes across different tools. Next, set up a clean structure so your process is obvious. Create columns for ideas, outline, draft, edit or review, and final. Think of these like stages on a production line. As a piece of writing progresses, you'll move it from left to right. A little spacing and simple labels go a long way here, so keep it readable and consistent. Now capture ideas quickly. Drop notes into the ideas column and jot down topics, potential headlines, and hooks the moment they occur to you. Don't overthink or format at this stage. Just capture and keep moving. One thought per note makes it easy to rearrange later, and you can always merge related ideas when they mature. When something is ready to explore, build an outline, open a card and list the main points. Sketch a clear structure with an introduction, body, and conclusion, and note the key arguments or the flow you want readers to follow. This turns a vague idea into a roadmap and dramatically speeds up drafting. Expand the outline into a draft. You can write directly inside the same card or split sections into separate notes if that helps you focus. Aim for momentum, not perfection. Get the thoughts out first, you'll polish later. When you're ready to refine, move the piece into the edit or review column. Tighten sentences, improve clarity, and smooth the flow. Trim repetition, clarify transitions, and make sure each paragraph does one job well. Reading aloud here can help you hear what needs adjusting. If your writing needs support, add references and research. Paste in links, quotes, and screenshots. Milanote automatically generates link previews so sources stay visible and easy to revisit while you edit. To keep larger projects tidy, organize by topic or format with subboards, one for blog posts, one for YouTube scripts, another for social captions. This keeps each area focused without clutter. If you're collaborating, share your board to gather feedback from clients or editors right alongside your work. Finally, copy your polished text into your publishing tool or export the board as a PDF. Move the finished piece into the final column and you've got a clear record of what's done.